Here's why we buy name brand knives, name brand tools, not some knockoffs or fakes, because the quality. And let me show you this quality. I bought this off of Amazon, very cheap, incredibly heavy, steel cheap materials. And this is a Riyadh XO design. It is very smooth, it has locking mechanism, and there is certain ones don't have locking mechanism. They have improved it with the locking mechanism, and entire frames opens like this and it slides in and out. This one is so heavy, and this part is only opens. There's a little latchet right here, so when we open it, it gets stuck. So it is, machinery is very cheap. Look at that, bunch of scratches. And look at that brand, Trizan. Trizan. Look at that sharpening. Incredibly cheap and incredibly does not work, and non-functional. That's what I was looking for. So the inspiration they got from is the Riyadh XO knives, but it's incredibly cheap materials. Look at that screws. This is aluminum, cheap screws, so bad. Clip, very heavy. Stay away from these products. You know, poor man pays twice, and that's what they mean by that. This is $77, made in China. It is a Chinese, a high quality brand company. This is Chinese low quality brand, and it's just incredibly heavy. Look at that. It just sounds like a piece of like metal, and it does not work all the way. For that reason, why we do not want this kind of products. Always look for the name brand. Whoa, look at that. I just realized that this is not even this is so cheap. This is not even cut out piece of metal. They just welded together a bunch of pieces of metals, and look, it's not even straight. That is so bad. I guess they didn't even weld it together. There's a screw holding everything together, maybe. Either way, the quality of this is so bad. Incredible. And also the only thing holding this together is this piece of metal. So yeah, be careful what you buy on Amazon, because there's a real one. It's not that expensive. There's a bigger one that is only $150, but the quality is everything. It's made in China. It is high quality. It's made out of really good materials, and everything. And then the cheap ones, stay away from it. Don't waste your money. Even though it's cheap, nobody will be buying it from you. If you decide to resell it, there's no resale value in that knife at all. So do not buy fakes, counterfeits, or like just, I don't even know if it's a counterfeit or like kind of similar design, similar idea, a little bit different. Maybe they kind of avoid getting taken down from this idea because it's a little bit different, but it's just not worth $15. I wouldn't even pay $5 for it. I don't want it for free because it's so bad. I would never use it. There you go. Another like explanation video. Don't fall for these cheap products out there on Amazon.